Alright guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here. It's the Cooking with Jack show. If you haven't joined us, you joined us at the right time for the first time to come by on Comfort Food Month. We're doing it all month long. Once again, we're doing it in August, so you can do it in September. Alright? It's going to be a great football season. It's going to be a lot of good things coming next month. So August is usually kind of a down month in the cooking world, but there's nothing going on. But since we're doing fall recipes now so that you guys will be ready to do these recipes in fall, it's kind of exciting. So let's get started. We're going to do this in stages. Today we're doing chicken and waffles. I don't think a lot of people in the South haven't had chicken and waffles. A lot of people in California on the West haven't had chicken. A lot of people haven't had chicken and waffles. And everybody's like, ew, chicken and waffles. If you've never had the sweetness of the syrup on the waffles and the saltiness of the fried chicken, you haven't lived. It's awesome. So we're going to check out all this stuff right now. Come on in close. We're going to do this in stages. All right? We're going to get the chicken in the buttermilk and get that marinating for a couple hours. And then we're going to make our waffles. Then we're going to cook our chicken, and we'll batter our chicken and cook our chicken and all that stuff. And then we're, so much going on. And then we'll put it all together. So we're going to do it in stages. Chicken, waffles, then we'll bring it all together. All right? Getting close. Okay, the whole recipe is down below, but I'm just going to run down everything really quick. Got some sriracha. We're once again, we're just doing the chicken right now. Got some paprika, some cayenne pepper, some celery salt, some salt and pepper, and then this is for waffles over here. So anyway, let's get started on this. I'm going to go grab my buttermilk, which I don't have out here, but you're going to need a container of buttermilk. That's the base for the, anytime you make fried chicken, you soak it in buttermilk. Not sure why. I don't know if it tenderizes it. I don't know if it flavors it. I don't know if it does both. But I've always been taught to soak your chicken in buttermilk and before you batter it and everything else. All right. So let's prepare the buttermilk. I'm eyeballing this. The recipe's got measurements, but I'm just putting a little in, a little in, a little in. Looks good. Mix it up. Get the chicken in. That's kind of what we're doing right now. First thing we're going to do is get our buttermilk in. We're just pouring the whole... All we need is something to soak in with all the seasoning, basically. So if you overdo one of the seasonings, it's going to be okay. There's that. Then we're going to do our salt and pepper, but my pepper's on top, so I'm going to start with my pepper. Put a little bit of pepper in there. A little bit more. There you go. Always do extra pepper and extra garlic. I don't know why. All right. A little bit of salt. That's it. A little paprika. It's weird because I don't think hot paprika, smoked paprika, but regular paprika to me doesn't have any flavor. Okay, a little celery salt. Cayenne pepper. And then here's our sriracha. Pour that in. All right, take your spatula, mix it all in, get it all blended. Go ahead and grab your chicken pieces, place them in there. Make sure everything's submerged, and then place it in the refrigerator for a couple hours, all right? All right, so we're gonna make our mini waffles. You can see it's kind of hot. They're ready to go. I'm going to literally use the batter I prepared. Make your pancake batter however the box tells you to. All right. There we go. And put this up here. Gently get this all folded in. There we go. Get that oil folded in. Then go ahead and put your batter on there. Kind of put a lot of batter in there. Sorry, guys. All right, guys, let's talk about what I got here. Can you see it all? Yeah, good. So I've got the chicken in the buttermilk and seasoning. I've got some flour and some Nashville hot seasoning mixed together. Figure we'll bring it up. I got this from Kroger's, Nashville hot chicken style. It's a really good version of Nashville hot. Got it mixed in there. You can just put pepper in there or Cajun seasoning. Mix it into your batter or your coating. And then I'm heating up oil right now. And we'll get started in just a minute. I don't know if you guys noticed, I saved the canola oil bottle I'm using. It's in here, but when I'm done with this oil, I'm going to pour it back in here when it's cooled down. Completely room temperature. Pour it back in there, put the cap back on, and throw it out. So as you can see, I made my waffles ahead of time. They're waiting. I'll warm those up in a bit, put some butter and some syrup on it, top it off with the fried chicken, and you got your chicken and waffles. That's basically what it is. Alright guys, I've been debating, am I using the tongs or am I using my hands? So I think I'm going to use my hands on this. I feel like I can get it coated better, so my hands get messy, I don't care. I'm going to start with a small piece. But this is how you're going to do all your chicken, okay? You're going to pull a piece of chicken out. Well, that's too small. Let's grab something a little bit bigger. Come on. No. Where's the perfect piece? Come on. Alright, we're going to use this piece right here. It's been soaking. We're going to put it in flour. Get it all tossed around. Alright. Once you got it dredged in flour, you're going to drop in the oil. Careful. I advise everybody to use tongs on this step. So let's do that. Okay, now it's coated. It's all coated, right? Drop in the oil. And there you go, it's cooking away. Then grab another piece of chicken. There's some small pieces in here, I know that. Just looking for another small piece here. Here's a piece right here. There we go. Drop in the oil. Alright guys, time to put this together. I'm all excited. Everything came out great. Got your stuff there. I just re-warmed up the waffles. So I'm going to put a thing of butter on them. Come on. There we go. Thing of butter. There we go, thing of butter. There we go. Got some butter on there. They're warm. They're melting. Now, some people put the syrup on here. I don't. So I'm going to take the chicken, set it on top. Set the piece of chicken right on top. Okay. Now, I put the syrup right on top. Just like that. It's so funny when I'm giving my dog a treat, I sit there and I go, "Are you ready?" So there's chicken and waffles. Are you ready? Let's give it a try. All right, here we go. So good. The sweet and the salty work together. The butter works with it. The waffles came out amazing. Everything's great. All right, guys. Comfort Food Month continues. Get ready for the next video.